Hey, welcome back. Steve AZ 711 here. Well, I've got this 4-foot LED wraparound flush mount ceiling light. Some people call them a shop light. And with Tony Lighting, got this from Home Depot. 2900 lumens is good for this daylight. And 50,000 hours, that's maybe 12 hours a day, what, 11 years? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to put this light up. What I'm going to do is take this cover off. Actually, the first thing I did was turn the breaker off. Well, it's off. Alright, next thing I want to do is remove this glass bulbs. Take the power lines loose. Okay, there's a screw here and a screw here holding it in. Normally there would be a sealing box or a round sealing box in the fan, or excuse me, the fan would work too, but the light would be screwed to the box. But here it's screwed to obviously the trusses. It looks like it's spaced 2 feet. It's a good little screwdriver, Black & Decker. Make it for handles adjusting that way or that way. You can also lock it to where it acts just like a regular screwdriver. Okay, it looks like this is well packaged. Yes, it's made for like a ceiling mount. We've got a couple holes here, probably for like if you were going to hang it. Take the tape loose. And this panel looks like it slides. Maybe, maybe not. Slides out. Find out when I go to put it back in. Okay, it comes with wire nuts right here. And a couple screws for mounting to the ceiling box, if you have one, and I don't. These are your LEDs, all in a nice little strip here. Really cool. Okay, I've got it installed. Well, I turned the breaker on, and this light is really bright.